Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. This channel is purely based on helping aspirants who are preparing for teacher recruitment exams like TET, HSTR, GPSTR, CRISE and all in Karnataka. We are having this video session to show you our plan or strategy for preparation of upcoming CRISE and HSTR recruitment CET for PM method aspirants. Now we all know about these HSTR and CRISE recruitments, right? We can expect these notifications in 2 to 3 months now. So on the request of aspirants, we want to help CRISE aspirants like we are helping HSTR, GPSTR and TET aspirants. So we have come up with a plan to provide paid classes to CRISE mathematics teacher aspirants. Actually, they will have physics and maths as specific subjects in paper 2, right? So before showing you the strategy, let me first show you the syllabus of HSTR and CRISE. First you understand the syllabus, then only I will tell you my strategy for preparation for both exams together, HSTR and CRISE. Okay. See, this is the syllabus for physics, maths for science teacher recruitment in HSTR. We have measurement units and dimensions, magnetism, current electricity, dynamics, gravitation, rockets and artificial satellites, thermodynamics, optics, electromagnetic radiation, energy, electronics and communication system, oscillations and waves, modern physics and universe. So this is the syllabus given for HSTR PM method aspirants, and here they have given all syllabus in details for each topic, right? So this is very much clear for us. Now let us see mathematics syllabus. This includes number system, surds, sets, progressions, commercial mathematics, statistics, permutation and combination, probability, basic concepts of algebra, polynomials, linear equations, exponents, quadratic equation, variation, basic geometrical ideas, triangles, quadrilaterals, polygons, circles, mensuration, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, symmetry and matrices. Even here in maths they have given each topic and they have elaborated the syllabus here, right? So this was your physics and maths teacher syllabus for HSTR. Okay. And what will be the exam pattern? HSTR will have a multiple choice question based pattern. There will be no negative marking. Now let's see the CRISE mathematics teacher recruitment syllabus. Even this will be multiple choice questions exam pattern only, but the difference is that it will have negative marking. Okay. So remember, HSTR does not have negative marking, but CRISE has negative marking. Now see the syllabus for physics for maths teacher. Mechanics, properties of matter, heat and thermodynamics, waves, sound, light, optics, electricity and magnetism, electronics and modern physics. Then theory of active and passive networks and devices, filters, power supply, digital electronics, atomic spectroscopy, atomic structure, charge, mass, E by M, molecular spectra, lasers, masers, X-rays and crystal structure. Then free electron theory, semiconductors, band theory, magnetic materials, quantum mechanics, includes wave mechanics, matter waves, eigenfunctions, Schrodinger wave equation, special theory of relativity, Lorentz contraction, time dilation, Doppler effect, ultimate speed, aberration, variation of mass, properties of nucleus, detectors, accelerators, nuclear decays, nuclear models, fission, fusion, nuclear reactions, binding energy, cosmic rays, fundamental particles. Now this is the syllabus for physics here for CRISE. Here part of the syllabus is given in HSTR also, and more specifically they have given, right? Now let us see the syllabus for mathematics. If you see carefully, you will understand that more or less the entire of the syllabus of HSTR is the same as CRISE. numbers and numerals, number system, number sets, basic operations, properties, square numbers, square roots, cube numbers, cube roots, irrational numbers, sets, matrices, mathematics in day-to-day activities, statistics, permutation and combination, modular arithmetic, algebra. Then you have exponents, surds, linear equations, quadratic equations. All this is same as HSTR, right? In geometry, they have given basic concepts, axioms, postulates, theorems, triangles, circles, quadrilaterals, polygons, then mensuration, polyhedral network. Okay. Now, what is more new here? Means physics part only, right? So, aspirants who are already preparing for HSTR will have to focus more on physics as more topics are included in CRISE. Okay. Now, after seeing the syllabus, you should have some idea about what is the difference between the syllabus. The main difference is the physics syllabus, right? This is, we are talking about paper 2 syllabus, the specific subject syllabus. Now, syllabus of HSTR is clear, right? What about syllabus of CRISE? See, syllabus of CRISE will have syllabus for HSTR plus more syllabus in physics, right? So, our plan or strategy for preparation of CRISE is we will be taking more classes in physics because there is more syllabus in physics, right? And for mathematics, because the syllabus is same, what we will be doing is we will be providing new series of mathematics revision classes after notification. Either HSTR comes first or CRISE comes first, no bothers. Whatever notification comes first, it is already a promise that we will be giving more mathematics revision classes for HSTR aspirants. So, CRISE people will also be given these mathematics revision classes, right? So, the CRISE course will include more syllabus from physics and a new series of mathematics revision classes after notification. Here we have a small condition. What is that? Means we will be providing this more syllabus physics classes only to the aspirants who are preparing for HSTR. Okay, so that I will come to you later. First, let me explain you how I am telling that there is a difference in syllabus. What will be our plan of taking classes? First, let me tell you that. See, this I have taken as an example. I have taken 2 chapters from HSTR physics syllabus, current electricity and electronics and communication system. Now here I have entire of this syllabus. What is this? Starting from current electricity, drift velocity, entire of current electricity is there. Entire of electronics and communication system is there. In this you have conductors, insulators, semiconductors, everything is included. Energy bands in solids, bias and types, all that is included. Logic gates is there, superconductors is there, radio broadcasting is there, right? So all this is there in this part of the syllabus, which is including current electricity and electronics and communication system. Now if you see CRISE syllabus, see, this is the syllabus which is related to electricity and electronics. Here, the green boxes which we have drawn, no, that is electricity, electronics and digital electronics. This is the syllabus from HSTR. So, aspirants who are preparing for HSTR have our classes, electricity, electronics and digital electronics classes. But those aspirants who are preparing for HSTR and CRISE will need theory of active and passive networks and devices, filters and power supply, which also belongs to electricity and electronics part, right? So we will be taking theory of active and passive networks and devices, filters, power supply separately, like this. Okay, so first you have to watch our physics classes based on current electricity and electronics. Then only you should watch our CRISE chapter based on electronics and electrical circuits. So for this specific topic, maybe we will take 1 or 2 classes will be needed, but those will be very lengthy classes. We never know, maybe those classes will go from 1 hour to 1.5 hours also. It will be depending upon the flow how we teach, right? So this is the plan or strategy which we were talking. Okay, so in the same manner, like already we will be discussing about thermodynamics, right, in HSTR. So that's why we will not touch thermodynamics in CRISE. Okay, but we have not studied about atomic spectroscopy in HSTR. Then we will not be studying about molecular spectra or masers or free electron theory or Schrodinger wave equation or special theory of relativity. So that will be covered in these new classes which we will take separately. Okay, now you get my point, right? So even Doppler effect, that is also not there in HSTR syllabus. So we will be taking classes for all these, specifically all these topics which are not there in HSTR, no? So these topics we will be taking classes. Okay, now you get my point, right? Now, who are eligible to take our this CRISE course? I mean to say the paid course. Okay, now this is just the planning we are coming up to share with you all. You all should write down in our comment section below this video what is your opinion on that. Okay, who all can take our paid classes on CRISE? See, first though, most importantly, I am telling you is that if you are preparing for HSTR, then please do prepare for CRISE also. Okay, so aspirants who are joining our HSTR PM paid classes or have already joined our HSTR PM batches right from batch 1 till ongoing batch 8, all of you are eligible to join. Okay, if you have not taken our HSTR PM course, then you will have to take HSTR PM course, then only you will get CRISE. It is like that. Okay, we will not give to other aspirants who are not from our HSTR PM paid batches. The main reason, as I already told you, is that we will not cover HSTR syllabus in CRISE again. That's the main reason. Okay, now let me come to more important points like who is eligible to write CRISE CET. One is that TET is mandatory for CRISE CET, and then you should also note this point that CRISE will have MCQs but with a negative marking, so it will become a tough exam. And then this CRISE is conducted only for English medium aspirants. This is another important point which you should note. Okay, we have a platform only for English, right? Of course, many Kannada medium aspirants, Urdu medium aspirants also join our courses, but our courses are in simple English only. Okay, that thing everyone knows who has joined our courses. So I just wanted to highlight that this CRISE is for only English medium. Now, this is not a decision we have already made. So this is our plan which we wanted to discuss with you all. So please write down your opinion in the comment section. Okay, so whatever your comments will be there, depending upon the majority of aspirants requesting CRISE paid classes, depending upon your comments and feedback, not only in the comment section below this video, you can also join our Telegram group. We have a Telegram group. You will get the link in the description below. You can write there also. We have a WhatsApp number. You can write there in the WhatsApp also, or you can mail us also. You will get all the details in the description below this video. So depending upon your feedback only, we will decide to take CRISE classes or no. Okay, so this is the best we could do to help you all, because you saw how the syllabus is, right? Plus there is negative marking also. So please start preparing right now. If you are already preparing for HSTR, then go for the extra syllabus which is belonging to CRISE also. Okay then, thank you. All the best. Bye.